because when they actually use explanation about this Four Noble Truths, then of course, you see, I have to say, you see, the Buddhist way is best. I have to say. And also, you know, if you ask me, what is best religion for you, for me, then my answer, without hesitation, Buddhism is best. But you see, that does not mean Buddhism is best for everyone. Certainly not. Clear. And also, because I think I would like to further emphasize, when I say the other religion have a great potential, this not simply is a polite, right? Out of the politeness or diplomatic way. No. I truly see, firstly, whether we like it or not, the entire humanity cannot be Buddhist. Clear, fact. And similarly, entire humanity cannot be a Christian or cannot be Muslim. Even Buddha's time, even India, Buddha's own country, entire Indian, did not turn into Buddhist. But genuine, you see, warm heart, loving kindness, some kind of very forceful living kindness in their mind. That I noticed. So then, you see, my conclusion is, these various different religions have the potential to produce this good heart. Irrespective of what philosophy, whether you see the philosophy of creator or some other things, that doesn't matter. For non-Buddhist, say about the idea of nirvana or next life, these seems to them nonsense. So similarly to Buddhist or creator, these things also sometimes looks nonsense. But doesn't matter, live it with these things. But in actual result, there's a very negative person through various different religious traditions and transformed a nice person. That is purpose. That's the result. So sufficient reason is to respect.